Ever wondered how those precise aluminium parts are made in small factories? Let me walk you through the die casting molding process, up close and personal. So it all starts with aluminium ingots. These solid blocks are loaded into a furnace, where extreme heat melts them down into a silvery liquid. Once the aluminium is fully molten, it's time for the real magic, die casting. In a die casting machine, the liquid aluminium is injected under high pressure into a steel mold or die. Think of it like a super strong syringe, forcing the metal to fill every tiny detail of the mold. The goal? Perfectly shaped parts every time. Cooling channels in the mold kick in. The metal starts to solidify almost instantly. This rapid cooling locks in the shape and gives the finished product that crisp, clean surface. Die opens and out pops the newly formed part. There's usually a bit of extra material called flash around the edges. Workers trim this away later, but you can really see how each step matters. Precision, speed, attention to detail. Surprisingly satisfying. Pretty cool, right?